I've been generating these amazing infographics using Nano Banana Pro with basically one single prompt. And in this video, I want to walk you through exactly how I'm doing it step by step. Because the new update inside Google finally handles long text properly, and it gives you super clean layouts without you having to design anything yourself. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and ask it for some simple infographic prompts that we can use to test this feature. Now you can totally start the idea generation inside Nano Banana Pro as well, but I usually prefer brainstorming inside ChatGPT because it's fast. So I'll just type something like, give me simple infographic prompts with topics, style, and size. And it gives me a handful of ideas to work with. Let's grab one of them and paste the entire thing inside Nano Banana Pro. Now I'm going to click Create Image and make sure this thinking option is switched on. That setting helps it produce a more detailed output. After a moment or two, it starts building the graphic. And here we go. It actually created an infographic in the exact size I asked for. The icons look super crisp, the typography is clean, and I don't really see any spelling errors. And something I really like is that it followed the pastel color direction we asked for. This looks polished enough to drop into a blog post, a school project, or honestly, anything you're designing. And it even added a relevant hashtag at the bottom. Alright, let's switch to another example. I'm going to try the second prompt, and this time the layout is square. Again, Nano Banana puts together a full square infographic, and it actually pulled real information from Google to fill in the content. The icons match the theme, the type looks professional, and honestly, it feels like something you might create manually in Canva. Except here you didn't actually design anything yourself. Now let's move to the third topic, which is how email works. And this time, I want to try a horizontal layout. Even with the Pro version, it takes a little time to generate because it's doing a lot of layout decisions on its own. So while that loads, I want to show you something I put together for you. I've actually curated more than 30 styles of infographic prompts that are specifically created for Nano Banana Pro. These are written in a way that forces Nano Banana to create perfectly structured layouts with clean spacing and polished typography. And yes, you can copy and paste these into other AI tools too. But Nano Banana Pro has definitely been the most accurate in terms of following layout rules and giving you something that's ready to use. All you need to do is replace the words inside the brackets and paste the prompt. It's literally plug and play, and it works every single time. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to download the entire prompt pack. Alright, so Nano Banana has finished the email example. And again, if you look closely, it pulled key information from the web and used the exact dimensions I requested. Everything is placed really neatly. Now I'm going to move to the next prompt about a balanced diet. This one uses flat icons and a clean uppercase title, exactly like I asked, and the size is perfect. And finally, let's try the last one, which is 7 battery-saving tips. I asked it for a futuristic neon theme, and it really leaned into that look. The icons are glowing, the layout feels super tech-inspired, and the typography matches the style. There is a little watermark that Nano Banana adds, but you can remove that in Canva or Photoshop in just a few seconds. And that's basically how I'm creating full infographics instantly with one prompt. If you want to learn the more advanced tricks, please watch this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.